Hello dear students, this video is for class 10th, subject computer. It covers mathematical function. This topic is from lesson 1, unit 6. It covers the following topics: mathematical functions, trigonometrical functions, and at the end of this presentation we will discuss about the exercise part, that is how can we use these functions. Let us learn how to use these mathematical functions. Mathematical functions are included in class math. Class math is designed under java.lang package. The syntax of writing this mathematical function is given below. Math.function, argument or arguments. Here m of this math function is always used in capital letter or in uppercase. Next function is math.min. It returns the smallest value from the two arguments. Return type is int, long, double, depend upon the type of arguments. Here are the examples. Math.min 15, 20, output is 15 because 15 is smaller than 20. Next is math.min minus 1.5, 1.5, output is minus 1.5 as 1.5 is larger and minus 1.5 is smaller than 1.5. The next function is math.max. It returns the largest value from the two arguments. Return type is int, long, double, depends upon the type of arguments. Example is math.max 15, 20, output is 20 as 20 is larger than 15. Math.max minus 1.5, 1.5, output is 1.5. Math.max 9.2, 9.45, output is 9.45 as 9.45 is larger than 9.2. Next function is math.power. Find the power raised to the given base value. Return type, double data type. For example, math.power 2.0, 4.0, output is 16.0. Second is math.power minus 2, 3, output is minus 8.0. Third is math.power 2.5, 2, output is 6.25. When you see this math.power function, you see that it always return you double data type. The next function is math.sqrt. It finds the square root of the positive number. Return type is double data type. For example, math.sqrt 7.29, output is 2.7. Math.sqrt 81, output is 9.0. Math.sqrt minus 16. No output is written here, as when we pass any negative number to math.sqrt function, it will not give you any output, rather it will give you runtime error because we cannot pass negative value to sqrt function. We should always pass positive values to this function. Next function is math.cbrt, that is to find the cube root of the positive or a negative number. Return type is double data type. Example is given here. Math.cbrt 29.791, output is 3.1. Next function is math.log. Find natural log values of an argument. Return type is again double data type. Math.log 6.25, output is 1.8325. The next mathematical function is math.abs. It returns the absolute value of an argument by ignoring its sign plus or minus. Its return type is int, long, double, depends upon the type of argument. Examples are given below. Math.abs minus 73, output is 73. Math.abs 75, answer remains same, 75. Third is math.abs minus 73.25, output is 73.25. That means abs function is used to return only positive number. If the number is only positive, answer remains same. If the argument is given in negative number, it change into positive number. Math.round. This function adds 0.5 to the argument and return the closest integer value. This function doesn't return double data type. If the argument is not a number, it returns 0. If the fractional part is less than 0.5, it returns the same integer, otherwise it returns the next higher integer. It returns different output for positive and negative number. Return type is long or int type, and examples are given here. First example is m is equal to math.round 7.5, output is 8. Another example is given math.round minus 8.5, output is minus 8. Array int. This function returns the next integer of the given fractional number. Return type is double type. Here are the examples. Math.reint 25.3, output is 25.0. Math.reint 25.5, output is 26. Math.reint 30.35, output is 30.0. Math.reint 15.99, output is 16. Math.reint minus 5.5, output is minus 6.0. Math.reint 5.48, output is 5.0. Let us understand. If the value after the fractional point is 5 or more than 5, it returns the next integer. If the value is less than 5, it returns the previous integer. Ceil. It returns the next higher integer number that is greater than or equal to the argument. Return type is double. Here are the examples. Math.ceil 15.3, output is 16. Math.ceil minus 15.52, output is minus 15. Math.ceil 9.01, output is 10.0. Math.ceil minus 9.01, output is minus 9.0. Math.ceil 10, output is 10.0. Math.ceil minus 0.03, output is minus 0.0. We understand that if the fractional number is more than 0, it returns the next integer. In first example, it is 3, example is 16, output is 16.0. Even if it is 5 or more than 5, that means if the fractional number is 5 or more than 5 or any other number that is more than 0, it returns the next integer value. The next function is math.floor. It returns the lower integer number that is less than or equal to the argument. Return type is double data type. Example is there, math.floor 15.3, answer is 15.0. Math.floor 15.52, output is 15.0. Math.floor 9.01, output is 9.0. Math.floor minus 9.01, output is minus 9.0. Math.floor 10, output is 10.0. And math.floor 0.03, output is minus 1.0. That means floor always give you lower integer. Is math.exp. It returns the exponential value of an argument, for example e raised to power x. Return type is double type, and example is given here, that is math.exp 6.25. Output is 518.0128. Math.random. It returns a random number between 0 and 1 in double data type. Double D is equal to math.random. This is the syntax. It will return any random number value for D between 0 and 1. To get an integer random number between 1 and 1, the formula is int r is equal to int math.random into n plus 1. It will find any random number between 1 and n. Trigonometry functions: math.sin, math.cos, math.tan. It finds sine, cosine, tangent value of a given angle in radian. Return value is double data type. Double D is equal to math.sin x. Double D is equal to math.cos x. Double D is equal to math.tan x. Angles are measured in degrees. To convert angle from the degree to radian, 180 degree is equal to 22.7 radian. To calculate the value of sine 30 degree, let us see. Int a is equal to 30, x is equal to 22 upon 7 into 180 into a, double d is equal to math dot sine x. Like this, math dot cos, math dot tan can also be calculated. And for finding the negative number, we used to write a tan, a cos, a sine. Do the exercise at the end of this presentation. System.out.println math.floor minus 4.7. Output is minus 5.0. System.out.println math.reint plus math.sqrt 9.0. First part is minus 9.4. When we change into reint, answer is minus 9.0. And math.sqrt of 9, answer is 3.0. The output is minus 6.0. System.out.println math.max, math.ceil 14.55, 15.5. First we solve math.max, that is 14.55, output is 15.0. And when we find the maximum value out of 15.0 and 15.5, definitely answer is 15.5. Next is system.out.println math.sqrt, math.min 42.5 and 42.25. First of all, we will find the minimum value out of 42.25 and 42.25. Definitely minimum value is 42.25. Then we find the square root of 42.25. Output is 6.5. System.out.println math.ceil 3.4 plus math.power 2.3. 2,3. Math.ceil is 3.4, that is 4, and math.power 2,3, that is 8. Output is 12.0. So do this practice of this exercise. Thank you.